CDS, Catalog Distribution Software. Perfect for Catalogue Rounds, Catalog Drops and Collections, Customer Orders, Customer Details and Order History, Items Returned, Accounts, Printing of Forms and Collection Slips, Listing of Products Sold and Stock Held, Collating Order Requirement from HQ, Keeping Track of Catalogs, Orders and Profit, Creating a Professional Appearance to the Customer. The home screen is the default screen that is shown when starting up the software. From here you navigate to other areas of the system as required. This screen will give you a brief overview of where your business stands at the moment. Orders received this week. Details of catalogs and their performance to date. How many catalogs have been put out this week and how many collected? Total order values received to date along with returns and invoices to give an overview of profit made to date. Catalogue Rounds. Create rounds and assign roads. Amend roads associated with rounds as you gradually reduce the number of catalogs required to be delivered to a road. Once a round is used in a catalog drop or collection, the system will automatically record data against each road. Number of catalog readers. Number of customers. Number of drops made. Number of orders to date. Number of lost catalogs. Number of returns to date. Value of orders to date. Roads are added or amended and assigned to a round. House numbers or names are easily added at the click of a button. By viewing a road in more detail, you can obtain a more detailed history about drops and collections. Addresses that have been asked to be removed, or you have decided to archive. Houses that read the catalogue, or are customers. History of drops made to houses, and how many callbacks it took to retrieve the catalogue or order. Statistics are available from the drops. Number of catalogues collected. Number of catalogues lost. Number of catalogues read. Number of orders received. By double-clicking on a particular house number, more details about the drop and order history can be seen. By viewing a house in more detail you can obtain more detailed history about drops and collections and orders placed. Samples that you have given to the customer or prospect. History of drops made to the house and how many callbacks it took to retrieve the catalogue or order and if the catalogue was looked at. Details of the orders received. Catalogue drops and collections. The heart of the distributor part of the software. Here you can create and control catalogue drops and collections from your rounds. On creating a drop, the system will produce a listing of the houses that you need to deliver to. Then after printing a collection list, and returning from a collection, you indicate which houses were collected from. If a catalogue was looked at. If an order was placed. Indicate if you were asked to remove them from future drops. Indicate if you decided to archive and not to deliver again. Indicate if a catalogue was lost, binned, burned or eaten. Haha. Print off a collection list. Mark off your collections. Out in the rain and sunshine if we are lucky, indicate which catalogues were collected, lost, addresses to be removed from future drops or orders received. Use the relevant stationery to indicate your next callback. Thanking a customer for an order. Indicating that you will no longer try and collect the catalogue back, usually after umpteen attempts. Transfer the information to CDS, and the system is updated ready to produce the next collection listing. Enter the next collection date and the system is ready to print your next collection list. Orders. Orders received from catalog collections, customer requests or social media. Orders that have been created either from catalog drops or by entering via the customer screen, are listed here and may be listed in various categories. Orders received this week. Orders waiting for goods. Orders ready for delivery. Orders with backorder items. Orders with unavailable items. Completed orders. Order details are entered onto the system. On receiving an order, details are added to the system. Each item is added to the order. As items are added, the total value order is calculated. Any items indicated as being on back order will be excluded from the order total. Entering items onto the order. Each item is added to the order. If an item is held in stock, you will be given the option to use this or not. If an item is no longer available or on back order, it is indicated here. On receiving an order, details are added to the system. After each item is entered, the order value is updated. Any samples given to the customer are also recorded. A digital copy of the original order may be loaded to save keeping all the originals. The digital copy of the order may be stored in the CDS system. On clicking the thumbnail image of the order, a full-size copy may be viewed. There is a facility to print listing of required items for orders received, detailing which items need to be ordered and which are from your own stock. Delivery note. Once goods are ready to be delivered, a delivery note may be printed for the customer. The delivery note will show all items on the order and the total amount due. It will thank the customer for the order, and if any items are, unfortunately, on back order or unavailable, it will indicate this against the relevant items and apologize for this. There is a tear-off slip at the bottom to attach to the delivery bag. A bag delivery label or ID label may also be generated. Delivery schedule. Once goods are ready to be delivered, a delivery schedule may be printed. Customers. Customers are either created from orders received from a catalog drop, or by entering directly onto the system. A customer will be created from the information from a catalog drop, when recording an order, or created from scratch if received from another source. General details shown on listing are: week number when they became a customer, date of their first and last orders, number of orders, total order value, value of any returns made, the total value of all sales. Double-clicking on the required customer will show details of all their orders. All orders relating to the customer are shown detailing: the drop number, the order number, the date the order was received, the date the order was delivered, the order value, has the order been paid for, the payment method, any returns made. Each order may also be double-clicked to view in more detail. A listing of all samples given to the customer is also shown. Returns. All customer returns are noted on the system. Hopefully, not too many items will be showing here. This will list the date of the return, the reason for return, any HQ return note reference, or details, the date you sent the item back to HQ, any given credit note reference. Accounts. Record all invoices from HQ, payments made to HQ, and show the balance still due to HQ. This screen will show invoices from HQ, payments made to HQ, payment totals from customers, with the facility to display a listing of all payment transactions, any customer refunds given, invoice and credit values, amount spent on sales aids and postage, balance of money at home, balance of money in bank ready to pay HQ, balance of the profit made to date, the purchase value of any stock that you still hold. Print forms and collection slips. A facility to print various forms and slips to help with distribution and delivery. Cards and slips may be printed as required. Slips for catalog delivery. Missed collection slips. Unread catalog cards. Thank you for your order cards. Other various cards and forms available with ongoing editions. Products and stock. All products may be listed or specific products may be searched for. We will endeavor to keep an up-to-date listing of products that are in the current catalog, along with the full list retail price. You may also add your own products to the library. Products are displayed with their full retail price. Clicking on a product shows which customers have purchased this item. Displaying how many of an item has been sold gives you an instant facility to see your top-selling items. There is a facility to hold stock of items, and to list all items that you currently have in stock. Sample codes may be stored against the main product code. Frequently asked questions. Why can't I use the system on my phone? Phones run out of battery power. Phones get dropped. Phones are hard to use in the rain. Having piloted the software during the winter months, it's quite often raining and touch phones are not brilliant in the rain. Also, the chances are that the phone will ring whilst in the middle of entering data. Pen and paper is much better to cope with whilst out in the field, and then this is quickly and easily transferred onto the system when back home. Is the data safe? Can it be hacked? For your data security, the system is not cloud-based. The data is stored on your laptop or PC, and can only be accessed by the application software running on that PC or laptop. To run the system on your laptop or PC, you have to enter your password to start the software. Isn't it double entry as I have to enter orders onto the HQ site as well? There is nowhere on the HQ site to record your catalog drops and collections, and as to which customer ordered what product. Yes, you will have to enter the products required onto the HQ system once you have already entered them onto CDS system, but let's face it, you are only double entering data by making 2 entries onto the HQ site. Product code and CT. A small price to pay to get all the additional data about your client's ordering habits, and the products that you have sold. Okay, so what's the cost? There are 3 options. £4.75 for 1 month. £26.24 for 6 months. Or £47.99 for 1 year. You are allowed 1 month's free trial to check out the system. How do I get it? By contacting us at Commendus Limited on 0151 558 1964. Or by email, info@commendus.co.uk, or via the website, www.commendus.co.uk web link. Currently CDS is only compatible with the Windows operating system. Example, training videos. The videos listed below are used for training purposes, but will help give you a live overview view of how the system can be used. Remember, CDS will help keep track of those precious catalogs, keep a total of all your orders and profit, and allow you to use your stock items on orders where applicable. CDS. Keeping track of your business and creating a professional appearance to your customers. Thank you for looking at this presentation of CDS.